If you've got an 05.5 to 18 Ram 2500 to 3500 with the real man's truck version, that's a 6-speed with the Fast and the Furious transmission, you need this B&M short shifter. Picture this, you're driving down the highway and you got your 6-speed transmission. This thing is going to reduce your shift throw by 30%. It's got Chromoly internals, and it's going to get rid of all of that slop when you're slapping those shifts. And you're putting a beating on all this billet goodness. You're not going to hurt this thing. This thing's amazing. You need this for your G56. Forgot my microphone's over here. And not to mention, who doesn't like blue? It's anodized blue. This thing is sick. You got instructions that come with it, and don't forget the awesome stickers that are included from B&M. If you want to know more about this short shifter from B&M, hit that link in the description or visit decentpowerproducts.com. We will help you get exactly what you need for your truck.